Hello friends, welcome to my channel Super India Tech. Today I am going to explain about wireless Bluetooth speaker. Its name is SoundLink Mini 2 Bluetooth speaker. And let's now talk about its features and its show and looks. Its look is really super and fine and black shiny. It's come with 4 buttons and it has 4 ports. You can see this. This is for earphone, this is for charging, and this is for USB port, and this is on and off button. So now let's talk about what is needed. You have to do charging. It is chargeable, and another thing you have to do is you have to connect to Bluetooth to your phone, and you can connect to any device. Let's talk about its advantage. You can carry this anywhere you want. This battery provides 10 hours of music playtime. Means its battery is really super. And its sound is clear and deep bass. Then you will be having question about how we can see this battery life. So you have to connect to the charging cable, and let I connect and show you. You can see this red light means battery is low, and if it come yellow means it's medium, and it's green means battery is full or it's fine. Now it can connect up to 30 feet away device. And it is very helpful for outdoor sound usage. You can connect one device at a time. So where you can buy this? You can buy a shop also. And how to connect it? Hello friends, let's connect this now. Let's connect it. Now you have to on this button. You can see here.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
You can see all lights and all blinking. Now let's connect it.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Click on this Bluetooth. You can see here Bluetooth option. We have to on this Bluetooth. You can see this device is directly connecting.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
You can see this Bluetooth is connected. Now we can play music and all like that. You can see it's connected. Okay friends, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family. Okay, thank you for watching.